Hello. In this video, we intend to fund the account we created in the Exnova broker using Tether TRC20. We select the deposit option, then choose the Real account. In the payment method section, we plan to fund the account using the TRC20 method. We select this method and intend to fund the account with USD. You select the next option. In the amount section, you enter the amount you intend to fund the account with. If you intend to fund your account with a promotion, you should enter the promo code in this section and select the Apply option. Currently, we do not intend to fund the account with a promo code. It is also written in this section to be careful when you intend to fund your account with cryptocurrency and to select the network correctly, because if you make a mistake, you will lose the amount you funded and will not be able to recover it. You click on the CASA Process and Payment option. To transfer the amount via Tether TRC20, you need to enter your wallet. You can also scan the QR code you see with your mobile phone. In the amount section, you can either copy this or manually enter the amount correctly into your wallet. In this section, where they explain scanning, you should also ensure that the network you select is the Tron network, or you can copy the wallet address and amount and enter them into your wallet. Be careful that the wallet address you see is only for your current deposit. Do not use this wallet address for future deposits. Very well. As you can see, the account has been funded with $20. Click on the Trade option to return to the broker's page to make trades. Very well. The account has been funded with $20, and you can now operate within the Real account and proceed with your trades. After funding the account, we also receive the items related to account verification, which you can use to verify your account or continue the verification process when you have a withdrawal. You can also click on the Avatar option. In the balance history, check the deposit status you had, which shows when and how the $20 were deposited, and that its status has changed to completed. In other videos, we will go through the remaining deposit and withdrawal methods at the Exnova broker. Good luck.